Wow, this place is massive. I can't wait to see what's inside. It smells like magic in here already. Like buttery popcorn and pine. Look at this vacuum. They say it devours every speck of dust in a single blink. Look at the camera on this phone. It's sharper than a hawk's eye. Whoa! Is that the new game console? It looks incredible! Noah, let's run to that aisle. First one there wins. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? That was close.
Stop right there. You're not allowed to run here. Slippery floors aren't a playground. They're a trap. One fall, and the fun is over.
We're sorry, Mom. We won't do it again.
That's better. Now let's explore safely.
I almost have it, if I just climb a little higher. Just one more inch.
Hey, buddy, freeze! Shelves aren't ladders. They can tip over and crush everything.
If you want to reach the stars, ask an adult for a lift.
Sorry, Dad. Thank you for the save.
We need these for the dinner party tomorrow.
This machine will save my soul from all those dirty dishes.
Yeah,
How much longer? My feet are getting tired. My stomach is starting a low, angry growl.
Mine too. I'm starving. When is lunch?
Do you smell that? It's coming from over there. It looks delicious. Like a giant ruby. Just one tiny bite? No one will ever know.
I'll just take a crumb. In this world, we don't touch what hasn't been earned. You can't open a box until the receipt is in your hand.
Patience is the secret ingredient to any good meal.
I understand, Mom. But the hunger doesn't go away.
Maybe we can eat this one. It's just lying there. It's not in a box. It must be a spare. It's crisp, sweet, and perfect.
Kids, what are you doing? No,
That's my apple. I just paid for it and dropped it. Oh no, we didn't know. We thought it was free, but nothing is ever truly free. We're so sorry, ma'am. We'll pay you back.
I am so sorry for their behavior. Please take these.
The wait feels like forever when you're hungry. That beep sounds like music to me now.
Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Thank you, you too. Here you go. You can eat now. And remember, share with each other.
You're right, Mom. The food tastes better than any secret bite. Waiting was actually worth it. I feel full and proud.
Good teamwork, everyone. Everything is packed.
I'm proud of you both for learning your lessons today.
So, can we come back next week?
Only if you remember the secrets of the aisles.
We promise. No running, no climbing. That store really was like a giant world of its own. A very big, busy world.
We got everything we needed today.
Next time, I'm bringing a leash for the toy aisle.
It's still there, waiting for the right time.
Safety first, always.
Respect the boundaries.
Patience makes it taste better.
Home sweet home.
I'll take the heavy one, Dad.
All right, let's get these put away. Look, the apples we bought for the lady.
This is for us to share together.
So, what was the best part of the day?
Learning that doing things the right way feels good. And getting a treat that actually belongs to me.
You both grew up a little bit today.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.